Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of connecting your PayPal account to Gumroad. If you're planning to start selling digital products and want to withdraw your earnings through PayPal, this guide will help you understand exactly what steps you need to follow. To begin, log into your Gumroad dashboard using the button on the top right corner. Once you're inside your account, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings, then open the Payments tab. Here, you'll see several options related to payouts and verification. The first thing you need to do is make sure your Gumroad account is fully verified by filling in your basic information. This only takes a moment. When you scroll further down, you'll find the section for PayPal payouts. Gumroad has a few requirements you must meet before you're allowed to withdraw money using PayPal. Your account must be compliant, you must have earned at least $100 in total, and you must have received at least one successful payout to your bank account. This means that before you can add PayPal, you'll first need to receive one payout through your bank. To trigger that first payout, you have to earn at least the minimum amount of $10. After you successfully receive your first bank payout and your total earnings reach $100, you will become eligible to connect your PayPal account. If you want to check your compliance status at any time, you can go to the Payouts section from the sidebar. Once you've earned at least $10 in sales, you'll see the option there to make your account compliant if needed. And once all requirements are met, you can simply connect your PayPal account and start receiving future payouts through PayPal. And that's it. That's how you can connect your PayPal account to Gumroad and start withdrawing your earnings smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.